guess in a couple more minutes she might give birth, you know. This is a first right here. YouTube. You better watch out. Tired. You know, go back here, man. Believe me. The rest is the rest of the rest. Right? Once the head come out, the rest will come out, you know. Did I help pull it out, but you know, might kick me. No, sir. I can't take no blood clot kick or no bite this morning, man. Uh-oh. I must step on him head. Man. What joke, man? I don't have nothing to do with this. Who, me? Me I confuse the donkey. Yeah, sure. Come turn up the camera. You suck your blood clot, mama, my youth. I make him lay down. Once him push it out, me just want to get you on camera. Once him push it out, me don't care. I'm looking for a female. Make him stay there, man. He must know him, he must see the doctor. You know, she call the doctor. You see, him have to run left out. Him or the daddy or somebody else or the daddy. You go talk to him, you see him go talk to him. Blood clot, you see that? I talk to him, you know. You know a woman have to go through, brethren. That's why they are so miserable. You must come now, man. Push, baby. That come, right? Eh? No, she not damage when she lay down upon him, so. See my idea work? You see my? Me blood clot. My blink. No, hey. I'm bad in Bridget. You just want to catch it when it come out. Donkey giving birth in the wild. My God, this is the first. You know that, right? This is a YouTube. Definitely. This alone can't give you that. I will know same alive. I hope it's a female though. I need some female. Because if she would not kick me, I just grab it and pull it out, you know. But true she kick. Me go back then kick me all across the world. That come, right? That come, right? Yeah, that come. Oh yeah. Alright, there you go, baby, there you go. Alright, give her a clap, give her a hand. You look at that donkey busting with him foot. My God. I breathe now, you know. My God, baby, welcome to the world. Jump the hole in the wall. Get a close-up shot of this, man. Now get up. As you can see, the donkey is out. Kind of a big creature here. He's breathing. taking in his first step of oxygen there. You can see his nose pulsating. Yep, he made a sound like he want to cry. Look like he might be the black donkey's donkey here. Somebody's going to be in trouble. Mama, I hope you know who the daddy is. Because if you don't know who the daddy is, you're in trouble today. Blessings, Father. Give us a birthday place right here. Let the farm be old and the home. One of the first. Yeah. But oxygen can't get through which part them foot bore out, eh? But you see how nature planet, man? My God. Him foot just bust the sock so him can get here, you know? Once he get up, see it now? Clothes on skirt, him first step of life. See how strong him is? As you can see, our audience, one of those donkeys here is the daddy. I don't know if it's Dudley's the daddy, but he seemed to be very concerned, as you can see by the expression on his face. These are three of the jacks. One of them could be the father. And as you can see, little baby's making his first move towards life on this planet called Earth at the hole in the wall. And this is the first that we are witnessing. As you can see, he's almost there. He's trying to help his mother out. She's pushing very hard. And he's coming. Come on, he's coming. We get up just in time here, Ross. Get up on him and drop out, baby. My God. I don't know, brethren. As much as a woman give you trouble, you gotta love her for this. You know what I'm saying? Just this alone. That's why she can be so miserable, huh? Father, help her. We want to see if we can get some of that off of him face, you know? You have a piece of stick? Eh? Eh? Take a piece of stick and just pull that off of him mouth so he can breathe. Jesus Christ. What was that all about? The afterbirth and stuff coming out. And as you can see, yeah, you're gonna be a strong one. So wash it off with piss. Oh my gosh. Get up now, mommy, and let him out. Get up, mommy, and let him out. Let him come out. You have the thing for pull it off of him face, man. See him can't breathe. A stifle must stifle, you know. Take a piece of stick and just take a piece of stick and lick it off of him. You have a long piece of stick and just take it off of him face. There he goes. Take it off of him face. You don't touch him though. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that feel better, huh? You tell Dudley thanks? Tell him thanks. You're gonna be here a while, take care of you. Alright? Come on, mommy, let him out. We can go on our way. We're sheriffs, you know. Now come out, man. Now come out. We catch it from the beginning, didn't we? So this was a good one, man. Oh, this is a real good one. I gotta document this one. Listen, I'm about you almost dead because of this. I mean, I have the charge right there. Yeah? Once you get up, you'll drop out completely. I mean, I have the charger with me, so I could charge back up the camera. I just want to see him get out. That's it. Then we gone. What time it is now, Dudley? 8 o'clock after 8? As you can see, we have an audience right here. First time the camera over the wall. The birth is taking place in front of the camera. As you can see, we have to find a name for this one if he lasts. He's trying to get up. First step in life. How much months it take for a donkey to have a cubby? 9? Not 10 months? I don't even know the months, but sometimes it looks like it's longer than the rest. To tell you the truth. It's the afterbirth coming out. As you can see. He's moving his leg, he's moving his foot. He's about to break loose. As you can see. Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes, first step on life. Here he comes. He's trying very hard to get the back legs out. That's a little difficult, but it's a very tedious thing. I can see this. My gosh. I guess it's a feminine thing. But what can I say? And here it goes, here it goes. He's helping his mother out. Helping his mother out. I think if she just move a little bit, he might be able to get out. What do you think? Yeah. That's the afterbirth. Down there by the tail, the red spot there. Yeah. Here he goes. He's trying to get up on his own. First. Huh? Yeah. It's pretty good size if you make it. They're waiting to see who the father is, you know. You know that, right? It's one of these tree jacks is the father. Now the rest were in the father, they will leave, you know. I think it's the black, I think it's Ying. Ying is the father. See how he's dark in complexion? He doesn't have a white on him like the other ones. Yeah, the white in the forehead. This one is black in the forehead. It's more like a darker set of donkeys coming in. That's Ying over there. The Ying. And he's just a little bit step away from the afterbirth coming out, his legs coming out. As you can see, that's the afterbirth right down there coming. And basically, what we have seen this morning is a complete birth take place right in front of us. I guess he'll clean them as soon as the afterbirth came out, or whatever. Trying to move away so she can get it going. There he goes. There he goes. Totally disconnected. And you have just witnessed the birth of a donkey. Here at the Hole in the Wall, Camp the Hole in the Wall in Jamaica. And what you're seeing is baby donkey trying to make his first step on this plantation. Promise we're going to try to take the best care of it if it survives. If it looked like a strong one. you can see, it's still attached with the afterbirth. I don't know what's the agenda. What's the gender though, right? What is the gender? Can't tell. Because nowadays I can't tell what's the gender. Male? Male? Female? Male? Woman? Oh! Oh! It's a woman! It's a baby! It's a woman! It's a woman. You sure? A baby girl. So here at the Hole in the Wall, we are blessed today on the 30th of the month, right? Today's the last of the month. And as you can see, the afterbirth coming out. Here goes the afterbirth. Complete afterbirth has just taken place, came out, as you can see. All the father jacks are up, and here it goes. And you have just witnessed history. Here, we leaving now. Yes, for the mom to take care of the regular business, we're not going to see that. Can uncover the face. The afterbirth, she will take care of that, as you can see.